Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at Island Ford. It's part of the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area. It's a short hike, but it's along the river and it's beautiful out here, so let's keep moving. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and send me your comments. I'd love to hear from new viewers, and thank you to everyone that has been tuning into my channel. We just hit over 600 subscribers and 115,000 views. Let's keep moving. So it's starting to get a little warmer, and as you know, the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area has plenty of places to put kayaks in, tubes, boats, and such. So if you've never been to Island Ford before, this is where the headquarters is located. It's also a place where you can actually purchase the annual pass, the America the Beautiful. So it allows you access throughout the entire year, as well as all the national parks throughout the United States. So let's keep moving. Plenty of options out here to connect some of these trails to extend or shorten your hike. Since we went the less beaten path, we've only seen a few people out here today, so it was really nice. If you want a place to go, feel like you're out in the middle of the woods, which you are, just not out in the mountains per se. This is a great option for you. Let's keep moving. All right, so if you can see behind me, the waters are completely up right now. It has been raining nonstop in 2020, and it is completely flooded here at Island Ford. So make sure you bring the right footwear because you're gonna get muddy. Let's keep moving. So as this video comes to a close, I wanna give a shout out to my friend Dustin. Dustin passed away earlier this week, and it was on his agenda to get back out and start hiking as much as possible and going in places where he could start some new adventures. So Dustin, this is for you. God bless your soul. So, got a stand-up paddler. Looks like it's a little bit more difficult than he thought it was going to be. Let's keep moving. Alright, so that's that. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.